Hey everybody! Alright, so recently we've been learning about how to play the major scale on one string. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to play the major scale on three strings. Okay? And we're also going to learn a little bit about something called intervals, which are basically the jumps between notes. Alright? So to get started, we're going to learn something called the C major scale. I'm going to tell you the notes for it, which are C, D, E, F, G, A, and then B. And what we're going to do now is we're going to look at how does that relate throughout three strings. How do we play all those notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, throughout three strings? So the first string, we're going to get started on C, on the E string. All right, so it's, right, G, A, B, here's our C, right? So here's C. Then we're going to go a whole step to D. Now we're going to play E, right? But we're going to go to the A string. All right, so where's E on the A string? C, D, E. It's right here, right? So let's reset that. Ready? C, D, E, which is going to be down a string and behind it. All right, so here's E. Now we're going to go a half step above E, F. Now we're going to go a whole step above F, which is going to be G. Now we're going to go a whole step above G, which is going to be A, but we're doing that on the D string, right? Now we're going to go a whole step above A, which is going to be B. And then lastly, a half step to C. So that is our C major scale on three strings. We got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then we go backwards. You can go C, B, A, right? G, F, E, D, C. Okay? And real quick now, what we're going to do is we're going to put numbers with each one of those jumps, right? So here's C, that's our 1, just like we did before. D is going to be our 2. So now we're going to go to E, which is our 3. So check it out, right? Look at how those notes look. C to D, I'm sorry, C to E is going to be our 3rd, right? This is going to be our 4th, our 5th, our 6th, our 7th, and then back to 1. All right, so let's walk through that again, right? C is our 1, D is our 2, E is our 3, F is our 4, G is our 5, A is our 6, B is our 7, and then C is our 1 again, right? Real quick, that's called an octave. It's when you play the note and you play it 7 notes up, or 8 notes up, which is going to be, you play it, and then instead of playing it here, we drop down one more to our D string, okay? So C, 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, G is 5, A is 6, B is 7, and back to 1. So now, if I say, play me a 3rd above that, we can go, that's a 3rd formation, right? This is a 4th formation, as far as intervals go. It's going to be right below the note. A 3rd is going to be right below and right behind. Kind of thing. That's a major 3rd. All right. That's going to be our 5th. And then that'll be a 6th. Major 6, or a 6th in it, my bad. 7th. Oh, my bad, a 6th. And then this would be 7th. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1, which is our octave. So it's a little bit with intervals. We're gonna have a deeper lesson on intervals, but I just wanted to show you how to play it amongst basically 3 strings, and any one of those notes will be safe when we're jamming the key of C. All right, that's enough for now. We'll get into some more of these major scales in another lesson. Thanks. Bye.